Just for you, Jerry. Right, I'll say that's pretty well jumbled up. Whether you believe me or not is another matter, but that's completely jumbled. So, stopwatch. Start.
She came to me, she tried to get me to cave, I didn't cave.
You're not doing anything stupid. This isn't going to be the quickest time in the world, but I think I'm doing the cube. Well, that's not bad, got there. Because somebody on Facebook, Mr. Hartel, didn't believe that I can do it. Challenged me, they wanted video proof. So that's what I'm doing.
What, they don't think you can do it?
No.
You've done it really.
I know, but they don't know that.
But you can't do that one.
Shh. That's because that's a special cube. Nearly there. Oh, that's good. 2 moves. And it's done. This isn't too bad at all, actually. Wait for it. Wait for it. 1 cube done. And the time was... That is quick. I think, because it's an analog, that was 1 minute 44 seconds. Not bad at all. I have done it under a minute before, but not for a while. There you go, Jerry. Proof.